Oh, is that nice? Yeah. Oh well. So guys, where do you want to go first? Do you want to go into the nice sweet land over there? Or the giant big land over here?
I know. The big, scary jungle.
I think we should too, because it's bigger, and we might find the search party in there. Yeah, I guess we should.
Because, like, most people say, if we choose the nice house, bad things happen. If we choose the really big, dangerous thing, good things happen.
Just like in cartoons. Cartoons are so real.
Yeah.
Yeah, totally. Let's go.
Yeah.
I mean, I think they are. It looks evil enough to be good.
Yeah.
If that makes sense.
Yeah, it probably doesn't.
Yeah, whatever. Sense or no sense. It's still a big, giant cave. Which is kind of scary. Right?
Yeah.
Oh, it's got a little pool. Cute. Okay, so where do you think we should start first?
How about where that giant tail was just sticking out?
The what?
Dad!
That is a giant tail.
Who wants to pull it?
Me!
Okay.
That was scary.
We should go in the cave. That looks so weird.
Yeah, look at that thing. Huh? What's that? It's one of those little dinosaurs.
Isn't that the one that lives in our village?
What's this lever? Oh, we did it.
Let's go. Ow.
Guys, I think it locked on us.
Where'd the dinosaur go?
Listen, we have to be fine. I know we're fine. We're fine. We're fine.
Well, we're stuck in a cave.
That means we're fine, right?
There's that tail again. See?
Hey, what's the bullet this time?
I guess I will. Ah! Wow, what the heck? It flew away.
It went bye-bye.
You want to pull it next time?
Yes, I want to go see it out. I want to see it go bye-bye again.
Hey, look, there it is again.
A bullet! It's kind of scary now. I think we're scaring it more than it's scaring us.
Are you sure it's not in pain? Maybe we made it mad and it's in pain now.
Maybe you're right.
I think it's coming for revenge.
I think we should get out of here.
Wait, look, it's the tail again. See, it's not going to hurt us. Maybe it likes us.
You go pull it.
Why me?
Well, we're right behind you.
Okay. It just ran away. Y'all go, chickens.
Ow!
Go. I told you it's not scary.
We thought it was going to kill us.
No, maybe it just wanted to have... Maybe it's lonely and it wants to play.
Okay. Are we pulling it too hard? I like this thing.
Hey, look. It's a triangle. Ow! That was pokey.
I like triangles.
Don't poke it. I said it was pokey.
I want to try. Oh, it's cute.
I think it's like sleeping.
Guys, I think we should go home now.
Why? It's just playing. See, it's weighing down.
That's weird. A shadow is on it. I don't even see the tail and the legs.
Why don't you pull it, scaredy cat?
Fine.
I mean, you're not... Yeah, I guess you are. Not too hard, it might freak out. Again.
I guess I'll go. How about you try?
Alright.
I can't tell if he likes it or if he dislikes it. I think he likes it.
Who wants to pull it really hard?
You go since you suggested it.
No. The last time I pulled that thing hard, it freaked out.
No, you were the one who suggested it.
I don't want to do it. I just want to see someone else do it. Why don't... What the...
What was that noise?
Okay, I guess I will pull it. Oh, I think he got mad.
Who suggested to do it?
Now it's just like... Now it's doing... Nothing.
What is that?
Maybe we should pull it. How about all three of us pull it and see what it does?
Okay. Should we pull it hard or soft?
Hard!
Yay!
Is that a good thing or a bad thing? Probably judging by the way it roared, it was probably bad. Looks more like a dragon without wings.
Oh, a dragon!
It looks mad.
Should we run?
Depends on what it does first.
He's sniffing us. I think he wants to eat us. I think he likes me.
I think maybe he recognizes us.
He likes us. Wait, how will he recognize us?
I think he's trying to say something. What are you trying to say? Small? Scaly? Scaly?
Orange? Oh, is that right? Okay.
I think he wants us to turn around or something. Huh?
It transformed into... That's our... We do recognize it! Wow.
So wait, we were pulling your tail?
Sorry. Yeah, sorry.
Sorry. I think he's saying it's okay.
What is that noise?
Why is it mad? Guys, I think it doesn't like us now.
Someone keeps running back and forth.
It's really mad now. It looks like it wants to attack you. Wait, where are you going?
No, don't go!
I think it left already.
Poopy.
Ew, who did that?
That was my mouse.
Whatever that thing is, I want it to show itself.
I want it to go away.
Yeah, I think away would be better.
Guys, do you think we should start running? I don't think I want to find out what that thing is.
Yeah, now that you mention it. Maybe it's our friend is just a big dragon again.
Yes, we should run! Tammy, come on!
this tunnel. You know what? Ouch!
Oh, I fell through it too. Ow. What did I eat? Guys, since we're out, we need to get out of here. Huh? I wish someone would give a translator or something. Sorry.
I think it's trying to draw something.
A circle?
A triangle?
Oh, my favorite shape. Up? Air? Air? Really? Guys, okay, hurry up. It's coming.
Flap, flap.
Flap? Fly? Fly! Yeah, fly! Hurry, the cave's gonna open.
What do you need to fly? A plane?
A plane? But we don't have a... Wait, what are you talking about?
Dragons?
Birds?
Is it a feature the dragons and birds have?
How'd you know that?
I was just guessing.
Ow! What was that?
Up, down. What's on a bird and dragon that flaps up and down? Guys?
I don't know, but I think we ran out of time. I think you scared it away. Good, no hurry, that'll buy us some time.
What's something a bird can use to flap?
Wings? Oh, I guessed it. Oh, you guys are good.
You need wings? For what?
But where do we look for wings and like Tammy said, for what? To fly? Okay.
I think it wants us to follow it.
Okay, let's go. Hey guys, come on, let's go.
We're almost there.
Perfect.
Guys, what's all that noise?
I don't know.
Is this where you wanted to lead us?
Perfect. Whoa. That's gross. Guys, I have an idea. But you guys aren't gonna like it. Oh. I already don't like this, Jenny.
How is it? Ow! I was gonna say, does it get worse?
Well, since you're a cat, you can climb. Me? Yeah.
I don't think the dragon can get up there.
Okay, go. Made it. Ow. Oh, I got your wings down.
You might want to put those things on.
Yeah, you might not just smooch it and kiss it. Yeah. Wait, where'd you find that skateboard? I don't know.
And why were the wings detached from the dragon? That's not right.
very not right, or really not right. Oh yeah, you look awesome.
Much better now.
What?
What?
I didn't know you could talk.
I can only talk with my wings on, sadly. I haven't grown a lot for it to do that. So, I was trying to tell you guys I need my wings so I can talk, and I kind of wanted to tell you something. But you're not gonna like it.
Oh. Hi, girls. Who are you? You almost look like my mama. Yeah. I'm her sister, Lightning. So, I'm pretty much your aunt. Cool!
Do you know where the village is? We're trying to get home.
My mom said you're such a sweet kitty. Yes, I really am. And say hello to my friend. I could call. Okay, come on, let me think of a name. Alan. Alan. He's funny. That looks scary. Yeah, he kind of has a costume on right now because he really likes his costume. He's kind of scary. Anyway, so where's our village?
Yeah.
I'll show you. Okay, follow me. This seems weird, but oh well, I think we're going home.
Guys? No. I need to tell you guys something. Hey, get on my back. What? I know where the village.
Sophie? Mom?
What? Mommy?
Jenny? Hi, Mama.
Hey, where'd the dragon go?
Where have you been?
We've been searching for the search party with
Yeah.
our friend the dragon. He never gave us his name.
First of all, there's no such thing as dragons. Second of all, you could have gotten killed.
I would expect more from you, Tammy. I know.
But we met your sister. You know, Lightning. You what? We met her. She's down there.
With her friend.
We gotta go home now. Why? I wanted to show you your sister. You know, yeah.
No. We don't have time for that.
Yeah, we
have to
need
go,
to
girls.
go home.
Come on.
Mom. Come on, that means you, Sophie. Crap.
Dragons don't exist, my butt. Ugh.
Shut up. Come on, demon. I'll never forgive my sister just for joining stupid dogs. I'll never forgive her. This really sucks. I didn't get to kill anyone. Oh, shut up, demon. Whatever. Morning, everyone. Finally, I've been waiting to get up. Ow, but wait, where did the dragon go?
There's no such thing as dragons.
There he is. Hi, dragon. Hey.
Guys or kids, that's a dinosaur. Why are they calling the like dinosaur a dragon?
Ow. Ugh.
I don't know. Now, guys, what happened last night? I heard lots of talking. And I heard roaring this morning. Yeah, I did too.
A lot of things happened. A lot of things happened.
Like the search party's in danger. What? Huh? What?
Someone or something is murdering them out there.
Oh no, that is not good, especially for
especially Saturn Paw. They really want to get him.
No! She has a crush on him.
I knew it.
Oh boy.
This is great news. You're part of the search party? Yeah. Where's everyone else? We don't know. We were the only two that could, escape and come back to home. Oh, good. There's not going to be any more search parties. No more. I hope the others find their way back. Yeah. Especially Saturn Paw.
Shut up! I don't think you should crack jokes on her like that.
I think not.
Wait, where's he going?
Wait!
Come back!
Guys,
Don't go! And they're already gone.
Hey, I think we just sound like our mom and dad now.
Oh, God.
Remember, we used to always run off. Now they're like, no, don't run off.
Oh, boy.
Oh, well, come on.
You like Saturn Paw. Shut up! Oh.
Someone like Saturn Paw.
I'm gonna get you! You showed that cat. Hi, Dad!
My daughter likes Saturn Paw.
Dad, I'm gonna slap you in a minute.
Sorry.
I'll
Anyways,
join you too.
just stay safe and eat your vegetables and eat.
Why would we eat?
He's weird.
You think?
We don't think we know.
Don't say anything else about my secret. Okay, God.
Don't you mean you're Sadie Poo? Hey, back off, Thunder.
Just tell me. I just wish they'd stop talking about it.
Don't worry, they will.
You're mimicking someone. Yes, I am. I mimic people. Oh my God.
Where did he go?
I don't know.
He never told us if he was a guy or a girl.
I think he's a guy. There he is.
Why'd you guys follow me?
Because we're kind of like your friends and we need to follow you. I don't know. I actually follow you.
You really should not follow me this time. I'm going in the sky.
Ooh, I've never been in the sky. Can we go with you?
No way. Not this time.
But come on, please.
Oh, excuse me. I'm sorry. I kind of ate some sheep. Not sheep.
Hamburgers?
Yes.
I love hamburgers. Right?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Guys, you can't come with me. Well, maybe. Probably not. No, guys. If, lightning. Yeah. If lightning comes, just call for me.
Okay.
Not to be rude, but...
It's fine. Well, see you later. Wait, what's your name? And are you a boy or a girl? Will we know in the past or in the future?
You can already tell I'm a guy. I mean, seriously. And, well, my name, you'll learn later on.
I knew it. You say that. Right, Tammy?
Yep.
Well, I gotta go. I'm taking off.
Okay, well, bye. Bye.
Wait. I hear something.
I don't hear anything. Look, my ear.
Okay, guys, I have a change in my plan. I know your mom says dragons don't exist, but get on my back. You want to see the sky? You can see it.
Yay! Let's go!
Go! Okay, last person get up. Oh, I should really become a giant dragon. Let's go!
Wait, can you become a giant dragon?
No, not yet. Let's go!
Maybe I should get into my disguise. Demon, you stay back wherever you are.
Whatever.
God. Here we are. A perfect disguise. They won't know what hit them. Now, Demon, you stay there. Like I said before, whatever.
Oh, not to be rude, but what have you guys been eating?
We've been eating some cantaloupe, I think.
Oh, too much cantaloupe, maybe.
Cantaloupe is a delicious sour fruit. Wait, why do we say sour? It's a delicious fruit.
I can't carry you anymore.
Grapefruit is a sour! I'm fine. I just fell off the cliff. Yeah, that's how you think you're fine.
I'm okay. That hurt a bit, though.
Yeah. Hey, dude, I really feel sorry for you. We've been eating a lot of cantaloupe. You know, like we said, that's
Guys, he's not talking. You don't think he's dead, do you?
No, of course not. He's not dead. He shouldn't be dead. He's not dead. He's not dead. Can dragons even die?
They live forever, but they can die. Just not like from old age. I am not a very old dragon. I am a very small one.
Okay.
Compared to giant dragons, I'm a very small one.
Now let's go over here.
Yeah, and no more flying for a while because my back hurts.
Whatever.
I think I'm just gonna sleep. Good night.
What do you guys want to do? Someone's coming. Hi. Oh, who are you? I'm okay. Let's think of our name again. I'm Mary Ann. I'm Mary Ann. Hi, nice to meet you. Mary Ann. Hi.
Never heard of you, but hi.
Just call me Mary. Don't be rude. Maybe we should just get away from here for a little while. What do you guys want to do? You can come to my house and play for a little while. Sure. But we don't like to talk to strangers. I'm not a stranger. I know your mom and dad. Really? Then what's our mom's name? Your mom is named Diamond. And Diamond has a sister named Lightning. And she's very nice, that your mother says. And your dad died by dogs. And your mom used to be very... wait, why am I saying your mom? Your grandpa died, and I think so did your mom. Your mom is Diamond's friend named Icy, and her dad is very sweet and nice, and there used to be a dog and cat fight war. And your mom is Diamond's sister Kaya, and you are a triplet. Whoa, you know so much about us. What's your favorite color? Red. What's my favorite color? Yellow.
What's my favorite color?
Blue.
Ah, poopy. My skin gives it away.
You're good. I mean your fur.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Well, yeah, what gender is that dragon?
Boy. What gender are we? I don't know. Maybe you're boys, not your girls. Dang it!
Where do we live?
Oh, down in the Village of Harmony. She's good. The Village of Harmony.
I guess we can trust her.
Okay. That's good. Okay, let's go. Let's go. I still have a bad feeling about this.
Guys, give me a minute. I gotta say something to the dragon.
Okay.
Wake up! Wake up!
What?
Can you feel fly still?
Yeah. What do you want?
Can you fly us back or fly me around?
Sure. Where are the others still? Play with some girl. Oh boy. Here we go.